Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.